Hello everyone. I want to show you the difference between append and insert in Python list. So the difference between append and insert in Python list. So if you look here, we have the list called fruits and with three items, apple, banana, and orange. If I say fruits dot append and I put grapes, it's going to add grapes at the end of this list. That means if you check here right now, you can see that we have now apple, banana, orange, and grapes. And as you know already, that in a list, you count from zero index. So meaning that apple is index zero, and banana index one, orange index two, and grapes index three. So you can see how it added it to the end of the list. So it goes to the end and add any item that you are appending. So anytime you use append to add an item to the list, it's going to add it to the end of the list. Let me give you the code here. You can see here we have apple, banana, and orange, just like here. You can see apple, banana, and orange, just like here. So I have not run this code yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to print this without appending. So right here, let me remove this. Okay. And I'm going to go here and say Python 3 example. You can see it printed apple, banana, and orange. But if I go here and uncomment this and append grapes right now, here, you will see it's going to give us a different thing. You can see right now it added apple, banana, orange, and grapes. You can see grapes now is the last item in the list. So that is how append works. And if I want to add something else, let's say I want to add um, lemon right now, you will see it's going to add it again. You can see lemon again. If I want to add, let's say I want to add berry or whatever. Um, um, yeah, let's say just say something like fish, okay, and sorry, okay, and then let's add it. You see, keep adding, okay. You can see keep adding to the end of the list. Now let's look at insert. This is how append works. So anytime you put something, it add it to the end of your list. Let's look at insert. Okay, how does insert work? Um, I'm going to say Python 3 insert. Okay, right here we have another fruit with how many items? One, two, three. So apple is the zero index, banana index one, and orange index two. So let's say I say here, I want to add grapes after apple. You remember when it comes, okay, let's do this. So I put index one, and then I'm going to say grapes. Okay. And if I say insert, you see how it moved. And then it inserted grapes right here after apple. So remember, the in a list you count from index one. So apple is index. Sorry, you count from index zero. Apple is index zero, grapes index one, banana index two, and orange is index three. So when you want to insert an item in the list, there are two arguments to pass. The first argument is the position where you want to add the item, the position, whether it's index zero, index one, two, or whatever index you want to insert your item in. So here we said we want these grapes to be at index 1. So you can see initially banana was at index 1, but now it moved it. So let's try again. Let's use something again. Um, let's put uh, lemon at index 2. Okay, let's put lemon at index 2. So remember, 0, apple is at index 0, and grapes index 1. So banana is at index 2. So with insert, you can shift banana from being at index 2 right now and put lemon to be in that very particular position. So what you need to do is to specify where you want to add the current item. So in this case, I want this to be at index 2. So this banana going to move right now to index 3, and then lemon will be inserted at index 2. So let's do that. You see how it moves. Okay, you see how it shifted it. So insert is used to add an item in a specific position. Okay, okay. So we can try something else. We can say index 1 again. Okay, and we can use pitch again. Okay, we can say we want pitch to be at index 1. So right now we are going to, you see, this grapes is at index 1. But right now with this, when we run this code, grapes will move to index 2, and then pitch will take over the index 1. You see how it's moving. So this is exactly how insert work. So let's quickly go to our code right here and do the same. Okay, so we do the same here quickly. So right here we have, okay, let's remove this first, and then let's run the code and see what we get. So the first time we're going to run the code, and then we will see. So we have apple, banana, and orange. If we go back to the code now and say we want to insert grapes, and then it's going to move banana from index 1 and put grapes there, you will see right now, and then you will see right now, you can see grapes has taken over index 1, and the banana has shifted to index 2. And that is how the insert works. Different